Are you ready for an adventure? Let's journey deep into the Amazon rainforest, the wildest place on Earth. This vast, mysterious forest stretches across 9 countries, mostly in Brazil, and is the lungs of our planet. The Amazon breathes in carbon dioxide and releases the oxygen we all need. The mighty Amazon River, one of the world's longest, flows through its heart, creating a network that supports incredible wildlife. Exploring the Amazon is like stepping back in time, where nature is still in charge. The air is thick and alive with the sounds of insects, birds, and monkeys. From the forest floor to the towering canopy, life thrives everywhere. The Amazon's importance goes far beyond its borders. It helps regulate the world's climate. Its trees store massive amounts of carbon, keeping our planet cool. Water evaporating from the forest creates rain clouds that travel thousands of miles, shaping weather across the globe. What happens in the Amazon affects us all. That's why protecting this wild frontier is one of our most important missions. The Amazon is a global treasure, and we all share the responsibility to protect it. Let's dive in and discover why this place matters so much. The Amazon is home to some of the planet's most iconic animals. Meet the jaguar, powerful, elusive, and a symbol of the rainforest's untamed spirit. High above, macaws flash like flying rainbows, their bright feathers lighting up the canopy. On the forest floor, poison dart frogs warn predators with their electric colors. In the river, the legendary anaconda lurks, one of the world's largest snakes. Every animal here has a unique way to survive. Sloths move slowly to avoid predators, capybaras stick together for safety, and pink river dolphins use sonar to navigate. Even electric eels defend themselves with powerful shocks. From tiny insects to massive mammals, the Amazon is a showcase of adaptation. Each creature has carved out its own niche in this complex world. The diversity here is staggering, and every animal plays a vital role. This is nature at its most creative. The Amazon's plants are just as extraordinary as its animals. Giant water lilies float like green plates, their flowers blooming at night. Brazil nut trees tower above the canopy, relying on orchid bees for pollination and agoutis to crack their tough shells. The forest is a living pharmacy. Indigenous people have used its plants for medicine for thousands of years. Scientists are still discovering new plants with healing powers. Towering kapok trees create homes for countless creatures, while vines form natural highways in the treetops. On the forest floor, fungi and mosses recycle nutrients, fueling new growth. Every plant, from the tallest tree to the tiniest orchid, plays a part in this green kingdom. The Amazon's plant life is a complex, beautiful system, vital to the health of the entire forest. It's a world where every leaf matters. In the Amazon, everything is connected in a giant web of life. The Brazil nut tree needs the orchid bee, which needs orchids, while agoutis help plant new trees. Indigenous peoples are part of this web, living sustainably and protecting the forest for generations. When one link breaks, like a decline in jaguars or the loss of a key tree, everything is affected. Too many herbivores can change the forest, and the loss of a single species can ripple through the ecosystem. This interdependence is what makes the Amazon resilient and diverse. Animals help plants spread seeds, plants provide food and shelter, and fungi recycle nutrients. Even the Amazon River shapes the land and life around it. Nothing exists alone here. Every part works together in a complex symphony. The balance is delicate, but it's what makes the Amazon so special. Protecting one part means protecting the whole. That's the secret to the rainforest's success. The Amazon is full of surprises and mind-blowing facts. The Amazon River can stretch over 40 kilometers wide during the wet season, wider than the English Channel. About 10% of all known species on Earth live here, and new ones are discovered every other day. Camouflage is an art form. Insects mimic leaves, moths look like owl eyes, and glass frogs have transparent skin. High above, flying rivers of water vapor form in the sky, created by billions of trees releasing moisture. These airborne rivers bring rain to distant regions, watering crops and shaping climates far away. The Amazon doesn't just sustain itself, it sustains a continent. Its influence reaches far beyond its borders. Every discovery here reminds us how much we still have to learn. The Amazon is a living library of life. Despite its power, the Amazon faces serious threats. Deforestation for ranches, farms, and mining destroys habitats and releases stored carbon, worsening climate change. Climate change brings droughts and floods, disrupting the delicate balance of life. Illegal logging and mining pollute rivers and threaten both wildlife and local communities. Poaching and the illegal wildlife trade put iconic species at risk. But there is hope. Scientists, conservationists, and indigenous communities are fighting to protect the forest. We can help by supporting sustainable products, donating to conservation efforts, and demanding action from leaders. Every choice we make matters. The Amazon is a treasure worth fighting for. Together, we can ensure this wild heart of our planet keeps beating. Let's stay wild and protect this incredible place. The future of the Amazon is in our hands. Will you join the fight?